Welcome to this quick guide on getting travel insurance with WorldTrips. If you're planning a vacation or business trip and need reliable coverage, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to easily get travel insurance online using the WorldTrips platform. First, head over to the WorldTrips website. On the homepage, you'll notice the clean and easy-to-navigate layout, which makes the process of finding the right insurance simple, even for those unfamiliar with insurance plans. WorldTrips offers a variety of insurance options, including coverage for international travel, vacation protection, medical emergencies, and more. Once on the site, scroll down and click on Get a Quote to start. Here, you'll enter basic travel details like your destination, trip dates, and personal information. WorldTrips offers insurance options with flexible coverage tailored to your needs. You can view different coverage plans that include benefits such as trip cancellation protection, medical assistance, and emergency evacuation. One of the advantages of WorldTrips is its clear display of pricing and plan comparisons, so you can choose the best one for your budget. For example, they provide options for both single trips and long-term travelers. The cost of your plan depends on factors like the length of your trip, your age, and the type of coverage you choose. At this point, let me recommend a trusted service for your travel insurance needs. Check out this partner service at the link in the description for reliable, affordable travel insurance. Many travelers trust it for its ease of use and comprehensive coverage. After reviewing your options, select a plan that fits your requirements and proceed to payment. You can pay directly online, and within minutes, you'll have your travel insurance ready. As for the downsides, one area that could improve is the processing time for some claims. But overall, WorldTrips provides efficient customer support and has a strong reputation in the industry. Their pricing is competitive, and you can rest assured that their coverage will help protect you during your trip. Finally, I encourage you to visit the link in the description to check out our recommended service. It's a great option for those who want reliable travel insurance without hassle. Follow the link to get started on your coverage today. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends who may need help getting their travel insurance.